Now, many dogs don't enjoy vacuum cleaners, and it's understandable. It can be quite a scary and daunting thing for your dog to be in the same room as, because obviously they're quite loud and dogs' hearing are a lot stronger than ours. But it is really vital that your dog understands that the vacuum cleaner is okay and for them not to be frightened of it. So there are a few things you can do to help tackle your dog being scared of the vacuum cleaner. The first one is to get your dog used to seeing the vacuum cleaner. One of the simple ways is just pop it in the room, let them smell it, let them get used to it. Once they're used to that, then you can start introducing the sound. Now with this, you can do it where you introduce the sound in a different room so they can hear it, but it's not really loud for them. And then gradually over a few days, you can bring it closer to them. Another top tip as well is to scatter some treats around there, just so that they see that this is actually a positive thing that's happening and they shouldn't be scared. And then obviously the last thing you can do is do a bit of movement with the vacuum cleaner just to get them used to it moving about.